Want to get started using the fun lip sync app Musical.ly? We're here to show you the ropes. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be giving you the beginner's guide to Musical.ly, including everything from downloading and signing up for an account to creating and posting your own Musical.lys. Now let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is download the app. You can download it for free from the Google Play Store for Android or from the App Store on iOS. Once you've installed the app, the next step is to create an account. In order to be eligible for a Musical.ly account, you need to be 13 or older. To start creating your account, tap Create Account. You can sign up with a phone number, Facebook account, Instagram account, or email address. Enter your birth date. Then enter your email address. Choose a username to use for your account. Then type in a password in the bottom text box. You may be asked to complete a CAPTCHA to verify that you're a human and not a robot creating a spam account. Follow the instructions on your screen to complete your unique CAPTCHA. Enter your full name. To add a profile picture, tap the Add Picture button. Then choose whether you want to take a new picture or upload an image from your device. When you're finished, tap Continue to start using Musical.ly. Now you'll see your Musical.ly timeline. By default, you'll just see the top trending and popular posts on Musical.ly, but once you follow other users, you'll see posts from accounts you follow here. To follow other Musical.ly users, tap the magnifying glass at the bottom of your screen. Now you can type in the search bar to find your friends on Musical.ly by their username, or discover other people to follow by checking out the post categories, the popular page, or the leaderboard. When viewing another user's profile, tap Follow to follow them. To create your first Musical.ly post, tap the plus sign at the bottom of your screen. To pick a song for your post, tap the music icon. Then look through Musical.ly's library of songs to find one you like. Tap the song you'd like to use. If you'd like to adjust the point where the music is going to start playing, tap the scissors icon. Then slide the music track to the point where you want the song to begin when you start recording. Tap the check mark to save your changes. Choose the speed you want your video to play when it's done. This will affect how fast the audio plays while you're recording your Musical.ly. Now, aim your device's camera at whatever you'd like to record a video of. You can switch between your device's front and back cameras by tapping the circle of arrows on the right side of your screen. When you're ready, tap and hold the video camera button at the bottom to begin recording. If you want to stop recording, simply lift your finger from the camera button. To film hands-free, tap the stopwatch icon on the right. This will start a 5-second countdown, after which recording will start. You can record a video up to 15 seconds in length, but if you want to stop recording, tap the pause button. Once you've finished recording, you can proceed to editing. Tap the arrow in the top right corner. You can make adjustments to the music with the scissors tool here if you like. Tap the colored dots to browse video filters. Tap a filter to see what it looks like on your video. To save it, tap the checkmark icon. Tapping the microphone icon will allow you to add sound effects. Slide the yellow bar to the point where you want a sound effect to occur. Then tap the plus sign button. Find a sound effect you like. Then tap Add to insert it into your video. A preview of your video with the sound effect will play. If you're happy with it, tap the check mark to save your changes. Tap the sticky note icon to access stickers. Tap a sticker to add it to your post. You can drag the sticker to wherever you want it to sit on your video. The clock icon will allow you to access cool time machine special effects. Tap an effect to preview it. If you want to save it, tap the check mark. When you're all done editing your Musical.ly post, it's time to share it. Tap the arrow in the top right corner to move on. Now you can add a caption. Type in what you want it to say. Tag your friends in a post by typing the @ symbol followed by their Musical.ly username. When you're finished typing, tap Done. If you want, you can share your post to other social media accounts like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. When you're ready to share your creation to your Musical.ly profile, tap Post. Wait a few seconds for your video to be uploaded, and you're all done. That's all it takes to create your own Musical.ly posts. If you want to learn about other cool things you can do with Musical.ly, check out the more advanced tutorials linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.